The events of How to Train Your Dragon franchise took place in real life. In the sense, I mean here, it's proved in the dragons, the Nine Realm, that humanity has never met a dragon for the past 1300 years, thus meaning that the events of the franchise might take place in 700s AD. Given the fact that the Viking culture is extremely prominent and obvious, it's likely that the events of the film franchise actually takes place somewhere in the North Sea. Now, although nothing is 100% confirmed, it's very funny to have an idea that such as the dragons could have actually existed. And that's why